Should be back. Should be back. Yes. No. All right. Is it working? I do not know. Uh, Weird. Okay. Um, all right. So working. All right. So can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? So I figured out that. Now I'm trying to figure out how to, um, so if I got my video here, Elgato Cam. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm just trying to figure out how to, I mean, this thing's, so if I just go directly to the camera. Okay, so this is the camera source. What is it like showing directly behind me? That's really weird. Okay, so that's the camera. This is the virtual camera. Please run Camera Hub and use virtual camera. Okay, so if I go to the hub and use the virtual camera, yeah, that's weird. Okay, okay. Use virtual camera. I don't know anything about the virtual camera, so won't use virtual camera. If I use this guy, so this works 1080p 60 and device default. Yes, custom 1080p 60 video format, any UVV, any auto detect, buffering, disable. All right, so this is like real weird here. Uh, Capture audio only, use custom audio device. XSplit audio broadcaster. No, I think this is good. And settings. All right, so this is the app. All right, so, but yeah, this camera is not supposed to look this crappy. So it's black and the game capture, not Camera Hub because that doesn't exist anymore here. Um, Visual Studio doesn't show up in here. You know what? Let me close Visual Studio. God, this is so weird. Why is this like so hard? This software is like totally freaking weird. Yeah, it shouldn't be, there shouldn't be noise like that. There should absolutely not be noise like that. Um, so match window title, same executable type, Windows terminal. Let's see if I could at least get this to go. Windows terminal. All right, so that's going. Gosh, this is just like so weird. So they call it game capture. But let me see if I could change the source and window capture, browser source, display capture. Oh, that's why, because I want window capture, uh, window. You know what? Yeah, so let's start Visual Studio. I think I figured it out. I figured it out. Yeah, so there's a difference. Apparently, there's game capture, which is, I guess, things that are using like DirectX or OpenGL, whatever it is, right? And then there's things that don't do that. So Visual Studio here. Let's, so this will be my terminal and Visual Studio. All right, so Visual Studio. Visual Studio just doesn't want to show up. That's really, really weird. Um, Match title, totally strange. Oh, here it is. Ah, okay. Automatic and done and transition. We should have Visual Studio, which is frozen now. All right, let me close some of this crap that I got. I appreciate you all sticking with me for this. Like this has been a trial to say the least here. Yeah, this has totally been like a weird freaking thing here. Um, Totally strange. Yeah, this software is like really disappointing. Good thing I was gonna buy like a year-long subscription to it because it seemed pretty cool, but like it doesn't seem cool anymore. Um, so now Visual Studio, let's see, where are you? You're gonna be here, and you should be seen. Transition, Visual Studio, automatic, same type, same executable, capture method, yes, automatic, done. Oh, great, great. Something crapped out on me here. So I don't know what it is there, but let's see. Visual Studio, transition, and then I'll figure out this camera thing. So that's like way too big. How big does, yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay, so that is very noisy. Um, all right, so Visual Studio is here. Loop. Okay, so that's this guy. So we have this webcam thing. We have this going, device default, Elgato face cam. This should be good. So resolution, okay, good. So that's coming in at 60 frames per second. Yeah, yeah. I'm playing with like some of these settings. Like they have like if I put this here, let me see. Let me see if I can share this. Okay, so this is actually capturing terminal. So I don't need terminal. So I'm gonna just disable that one for now. And well, I'll leave that there so I know like stuff is happening. Um, so then unknown, what is this guy? Okay, so dev environment. There we go. There we go. We got Visual Studio. Yay. All right. Oh, that's cool. It resizes with the window. That's cool. Okay, good. So we can do that. And let me see if I can. Is that like really small? I can't really tell. Yeah, that's like super small, right? Super small? Super small, right? Yeah? Yeah, that's tiny. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. All right. So, um, all right. So I'm getting somewhere with this. Like, this is definitely like maybe I shouldn't stream in 4K. But the good news is, I think, is that uh, I think that the good news is that I figured out that if I stream at 4K and if I stream at 4K, like everything is small, but before I had like the black bars on it, which is horrible. So let me try this. Let, let's see what happens if I try and change resolution like midstream here for just this monitor. Uh, oh, maybe I could just do this. Increase the scale. I wonder, you think that's going to work a little bit? No, because the resolution still sucks. All right, so let's put you back to 100 and this guy, I need the thing to match. So